Hey folks, making something interesting today. One of my favorite dipping sauces now is from Wendy's, and it's their ghost pepper ranch dipping sauce. It tastes great, but it has no heat. If you've ever had Wendy's ghost pepper ranch dipping sauce, you know the same thing. You know, it tastes really good. It's a really good ranch. It's got just a little bit of heat in the back end, but not what you would consider ghost pepper. So I've been experimenting, and I think I've come up with a really good, probably better copycat than Wendy's. It's very similar, but it's got a little bit more kick, but not too much. It's got just enough to like, oh yeah, I can taste that ghost pepper now, but it won't blow you away. So here's how I'm going to make it, and then come back and I'm going to give it a try. Here I have a cup of mayonnaise, and I'm going to add a quarter teaspoon of garlic powder, quarter teaspoon of onion powder, and a half a teaspoon of salt, a tablespoon of dried parsley, a half a teaspoon of paprika, and then the star of the show, the ghost pepper powder. This is a quarter of a teaspoon. This should be plenty, but if you want to really kick it up, you could add a half a teaspoon. And then I got a half a cup of buttermilk. And I just want to whisk this all together, get it incorporated. Okay, that looks good. Let's give it a taste, see if we need to make any adjustments. Yep, it needs more salt. Yeah, definitely needs more salt. Okay, let me add some salt. I'm gonna add another half a teaspoon, or another quarter teaspoon actually. So that's about, almost a teaspoon of salt. So let's see what that tastes like. Okay. Okay, salt is perfect. There we go. Okay, let's let it refrigerate and give it a taste. Okay, here's how it turned out. I portioned it out into a little container for dipping. This is what my ghost pepper ranch looks like. Here is Wendy's. They looks very similar. I think Wendy's is just a tad bit oranger, maybe a little bit more paprika, but that's the two side by side. Okay, let me taste mine first. Give it a good dunk. Gotta go in again. Another dip. Another nugget. Definitely has a really good ranch flavor and so much more heat. It's not overwhelming like I was mentioning. It's really it's right on. You know that ghost pepper is there. You can taste it. You can taste the ranch. You can taste the ghost pepper. And Wendy's nuggets are pretty darn good. Let me taste one of the nuggets here with the Wendy's ghost pepper, just for comparison. Very, very similar. Yeah, it's good. It just doesn't have the heat level. I'll have to say one thing about the Wendy's. It has a little bit more of a vinegar flavor, so I think the mayonnaise they use might have like vinegar in it. So, that being said, make this recipe with Duke's mayonnaise and you'll get a lot closer to that vinegary flavor. Duke's, I should have thought of that in the first place. Well, there you have it, folks. Want to really kick up Wendy's ghost pepper ranch dipping sauce? Or you could cut it in half at 1/8 of a teaspoon. And you could actually add a half a teaspoon. You could really kick it up, is what I'm saying. That ghost pepper powder was fantastic, and it's just pure ghost pepper. I'll put a link in the description box below where you can order that on Amazon because I couldn't find it anywhere. Well, there you have it, folks. Thanks for watching.